Next play solid versus Archangel. Yup, lamang dito ang next play solid by 1. Archangel, they need to get this game in order for to prolong the series into this game 3. Pero bago makalimutan lahat, Tofu nga pala, kasama ko ngayon ang inyong Madam Honey Glaze. Wow, hi ka naman dyan. Kundi,
Yeah.
di ba? But, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go down into our game. Archangel on the blue side. Next play solid naman para sa red side. Honey Glaze, what are their team composition?
Yes, for Archangel, for the blue side, we have Escalera, gagamit itong Brody. Yasuo naman for the Uranus. We have Saksha for the lane. Fall naman ang gagamit itong Khalid. And we have Yummy for the Akai.
Yup, and for the next play solid, here you go, ladies and gentlemen. James, for this Alice, Yawi ang gagamit dito ng Kufra. H2O for this Hellcurt, Exort on this Selena, and the Rene J for this Leomord. But
I'm already liking the aggression here. For Archangel, dahil nga mahihirapan dito next play solid na kumuha ng kanilang buffs. So, nandun pa rin yung aggression na gusto nga ibigay dito ni Lim.
Aggression indeed. Now, next play solid, they need to form this out. Kailangan nila magbigay ng buffs and jungle. Farm para dito kay H2O kasi siya lang talaga ang main damager na meron ng next play solid. Itong Leomord ni paring Rene J natin, mga kaibigan, matagal pa to mag-online because nasa, I think, gold lane yata itong Leomord natin. But this Escalera Brody, mid lane tayo guys. We have a 1-2-1-1 setup. Wow!
Very interesting Tofu, knowing that they are going up against a Leomord na yun nga sa katulad na sinabi na kumuha nga dito sa gold lane. So more of the chances na makakaipon throughout the game, lalo na kailangan niya lang naman mag-ingat dahil ang magandang gawin dito ng Archangel is i-pin down dito si Rene J. Speaking of, we have Escalera pumapasok na nga, nandito naman nagpatawag kapayo. Escalera going in for the stun, but then again, disengage lang muna. Sagot nila dito, disiplina na lang muna for Archangel.
Well, the discipline by next play solid dito mga kaibigan, no, sobrang effective because nabibigyan nila si H2O ng farm na need talaga ni H2O. But yeah, with that being said, Archangel dito, their core, si Escalera, core marksman, nakakuha ng kill against Exort and naka-bounty hunter, Honey Glaze, si Escalera dito. So, ang laking advantage yon for him.
Exactly, lalo na the first blood was given to Escalera. So, magiging maganda ito kapag nagpatuloy ito sa throughout the minutes of the game. But we have here a commotion against Paul. Tinamaan ng Weasel Arrow pero nagdoon naman yung kanyang Purify. But then again, pumasok out of nowhere dito ang isang Hellcurt. H2O, nagpapakita ang gilas na naman dahil that is going to be a kill against Archangel.
Yup, Archangel here, Yummy. Sinisipat-sipat niya lang mga members here from next play solid, but I think, yeah, Free Turtle, nagpakita lang, umamba lang doon ng konti si Yummy, pero wala siyang magagawa doon as the game proceeds. Ladies and gentlemen, next play solid dito, they have a 400 gold lead. So it means, dikit na dikit pa rin Honey Glaze ang ating labanan ngayon, no? And ikaw ba, matanong kita, no, in this type of situation, marksman versus assassin. Oh wait, meron pa palang link, no? So dalawa pala ang damager nila dito. So anong masasabi mo doon, Honey Glaze?
So hindi ko agad masasabi kung ano yung dapat nilang gawin, knowing that they have to feed Escalera all the chances, all the objectives na meron sila, lalo na kailangan nga nilang ipa-online kagad dito si Escalera. But in the meantime, gumagawa naman sila ng push onto the bottom lane ng next play solid. But then again, ayun nga, nandoon yung pensa, doon na kagad si Kufra. Pero I have to notice here Yummy with the attempt set against the Hellcurt. Pumasok siya doon with the 1,000 counter. But still, what a set dito na ginawa ni Yawi with the Kufra. What an amazing set para lang ma-corner nga dito si Saksha sa middle lane.
And now, looking at this situation, 5 minutes mark, ladies and gents, we have a 2-2 score. Next play solid. They're getting the 1-0 lead right now, Honeyglaze. Ano pa ba ang pwede natin asahan sa ating mid-game and late game?
Ang aasahan natin dito is makaipon nga si Escalera. 2-0 na ang kanyang standing. So meaning to say, nag-iingat pa rin siya throughout the game. Dahil nga ang hirap, sobrang laking pressure nito for Escalera to go up against H2O. Nandito rin si Escort with that Selena. So nandun yung aggression, nandun din yung possible ambush. Pero then again, Escalera is going up against James. There was the blood on fall, however, was onto the backline para makapagbigay ng pressure at ma-prevent nila yung death dito ni Escalera sa top lane.
And yeah, even Archangel, even though Archangel, they're making a way, no? Para makapag-farm si Escalera at the same time makapag-farm din si Saksha ng tahimik, ng peaceful, no? Kumbaga, kasi si Escalera ang pinaka humaharap sa mga enemy teams like H2O, sa mga others. And hindi nakikita ng next play solid sa mapa si Saksha dito. Namataan siya isang beses, but that's it. 6 minutes na tayo dito and I'm pretty sure na madami ng items or actually naka-build na to ng core item niya.
Possibly, since 6 minutes into the game, nandun na nga, Berserker's Fury na nga katulad na sinabi mo, naka-build na nga ng core item dito, si Escalera. But then again, where is the pressure coming from? We have next place solid Renny J going up here against Uranus. But then again, sa middle lane naman natin, tamang defend muna naman for Escalera throughout this 7-minute mark into the game.
7-minute mark indeed. Honeyglaze, the gold lead, pantay na pantay dito, but look at next play solid. They're really trapping, no, baiting yung mga members here from Archangel dito. Look at Paul doon kanina, 'di ba? Nagtatago lang siya doon pero hindi niya alam na set up na pala siya ni Yawi at saka ni H2O. 'Di ba?
Exactly. Tofu, ang hirap din dito for Yami to set up dahil nga yung kailangan niya pang setan ng Thousand Pouncer para lang ma-stand dito, members from next place solid. But then again, there goes the Flicker, there goes the Selena. So, ang dali lang naman for the heroes of next place solid na maka-evade nga doon sa attempt na makapag-pin down ng hero dito with the Hurricane Dance si Yami. But then again, kapag naging successful naman dito si Yami throughout the sets, it's possible for Saksha together with Escalera to give such amazing damage output naman sa members of next place solid. But here you go, another objective, uncontested objective is given to next play solid. Pero pumasok na nga with the damage output dito ang Hellcurt Tofu.
Yasuo and the other members here from Team Archangel are now getting one by one of the team next play solid. Yasuo dito, triple kill para kay pare nating Renny J and Saksha. Looking at the lane, he's trying his best dito para ma-survive itong game 2 natin mga kaibigan. But I think, need na niya mag-step up dito. Need niya nang ipakita kung naman yung kanina niya pang tinatago because napakatahimik niya. Mula umpisa hanggang ngayong 8-minute mark natin, Honeyglaze. Actually, next play solid dito. H2O, may katulong na siya sa damage output which is si Renny J. Renny J with that 4-0 KDA, Honeyglaze. I'm pretty sure na meron na yung mga item. Actually, 2 core item na yan. So, grabe. Nakakatakot yun. For the side of next play solid, imagine Dark Knight Falls tapos may Phantom Steed pa. Di ba?
Oo. Exactly, Tofu. At ang ganda nga ng possible ng mga setup nila dito. Nandun naman yung sustainability with the Blood Oath of James. Pero speaking of James, nandun na nga yung Blood Oath niya together with the Tempest of Blades. Pero Saksha, umexit na lang muna mula sa commotion na yon na naganap. Dark Knight Falls casted. But we have here Khalid already down for the hands of the Hellcurt. And this, I think, is going to be hard for Archangel to put up a fight. Dahil nga Saksha, namataan niya dito, namataan siya ng isang Renny J. At mukhang it's another stampede. We have Renny J. Nagpatawag na naman ng kanyang kabayo just to get Yasuo and another kill nga naman for Renny J under our 10-minute mark into the game.
10-minute mark indeed. For 10-hour score, Archangel talagang naghahanap sila ng ways to defend this one because H2O, Renegade, plus James, online na sila dito, Honey-Glaze. Ito na lang ang kayang gawin ni Sasha. Mag-push siya ng Torre and mag-segue hanggang sa siya na yung ipaprioritize dito ng Next Play Solid. But Next Play Solid, as we can see on the map, ladies and gentlemen, taken down na yung ating first Lord, mga kaibigan. Pero, Archangel, still have a chance pa rin naman when kapag nakuha nila yung dalawang made core damager, which is si H2O and itong si Renegade.
Exactly. So, paano nga ba yung papasok dito si Ling? Kung paano siya makakakuha just to go up against members, the composition here of Next Play Solid. Ang kukunat ng mga ng composition nila dito. So, ang hirap for Ling to set up. Nandun yung Tempest of Blades niya, but then again, ang bilis lang for Selena to get away from that setup. Nandun din si H2O na nandun yung silence niya. So, ang hirap nga for the Ling na makakuha ng kanyang CD reduction throughout his ultimate. But we have another commotion onto the map dito.
Yup, speaking of commotion, here you go. Next Play Solid, ladies and gentlemen, they are now engaging, they are now pushing to the base of Archangel as the Lord comes with them. Here goes the Dark Knight Balls coming in from RH2O, and now they're getting everyone one by one. Archangel, they can't defend this one, and Next Play Solid. Wow, what a solid performance from them, especially Renegade H2O. But the main